Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well. The previous class we have already learned what is financial leverage and the objective of use of financial leverage. Already first one is completed and second one is maximization of the value of the firm. Today we should or we may learn maximization the value of the firm. Okay, good. It is assume that the use of leverage reduces overall cost of capital and increases value of firm. In spite of this, due to low interest rate increases the value of the equity, and so that increasing the value of the firm. So we know the leverage. If we use the leverage, we reduces the overall cost of capital and increases the value of the firm. Okay, so we can solve this question and we may see the position. How can the overall cost of capital increases and the value of the firm increases or decreases? So let's start our class, dear students. Here, what's the question is written in the whiteboard. So here, Al Monjour Incorporation is a company operating in the corporate sector of the economy. The company has an expected annual net operating income NOI, or it is called X bar, of taka 2,50,000 taka, and then capital equity capitalization rate KE. Equity capitalization rate is 16% and 10% debt of taka is 5 lakh taka. Determine the value of the firm. Okay, we see this or we solve the problem. Okay, the student, at first net operating income net operating income 2,50,000 taka, and then total cost of debt is, it is expressed in R. We are expressing the total cost of debt is R equal KD D 5 lakh into 10%. Okay, it is called 50,000 taka. Okay, 2 lakh taka. Okay, net income available to shareholders, it is called X bar minus R. Okay, then we bring out value of the equity. Value of the equity S equal earning divided K. Equity capitalization rate and earning. Here earning is 2 lakh and equity capitalization rate is 16%. I mean 0.16 is equal that we should bring this 2 lakh by 0.16 divided 2 lakh divided 16%, 12 lakh 50,000 taka. Then value of the debt D equal interest divided KD. Okay, here is interest 50,000 taka and then KD is 10%, I mean 0.1. So 50,000 taka divided 0.1 is 5 lakh. Here is 5 lakh. Here given 5 lakh. Okay, then 17 lakh 50,000 taka. So value of the firm equal S plus D. Share of the equity, value of the equity and debt plus debt equal 17 lakh 50,000 taka. So at present we should bring the overall cost of capital, which is expressed in KO. So KO equal NOI divided V, value of the firm. Okay, so net operating income is 2,50,000 taka and value of the firm is 17,50,000 taka. So it is 2,50,000 taka divided 17,50,000 taka. Okay, here 0.1428. It is called 285. So it is called 14.29% or 28%. 14.29%. Okay. We can bring out it another way. So, dear student, we know that KO equal KD into D by V plus KE into S by V. Okay, so KD, cost of debt equal 0.101 into D, debt 5 lakh and then V 17 lakh 50,000 taka. Okay, then KE is 0.16 into S, value of the equity or share is 12,50,000 taka and 17,50,000 taka. Okay, so here 5 lakh divided 17,50,000 taka into 0.1. So 0.028 57. Okay, then 12,50,000 taka divided 17,50,000 taka. Okay, into 0.16. Here 0.11428428. So 0.02857 plus 0.11428. Okay, here point 0.14285. So we say that 14.29%. Okay, dear students. So here we bring out the value of the firm 17,50,000 taka, and we also bring out that overall cost of capital is 14.29%. Okay. At present, if we decrease or increase the leverage portion, then what the impact on the value of the firm, or what will be the value of the firm if we increase or decrease the leverage of a corporation. So, dear students, let's decrease or increase leverage of a corporation and then prove the impact on the value of the firm. Okay. If we decrease if we decrease the leverage, say if we decrease leverage so and then leverage is decreased by 2,50,000 taka. I mean, at present leverage is 2,50,000 taka, and 10% debt. Interest rate is 10%. So we measure in this way. So there is no change. In this math except leverage or debt. Okay, we are changing the leverage, and we see the present situation of this firm. What is the present situation? So we should do this. Okay, dear student, here 2,50,000 taka, 10%. Okay, here 5 lakh taka, just 2,50,000 taka into 0.10, I mean 25,000 taka. Okay, so 2,25,000 taka. Okay, so it is called net income available to shareholders X bar. It is called net operating income X bar minus R. Okay, so 2,25,000 taka, and then equity income, here is income 2,25,000 taka, then 16% capital equity capitalization rate. So we can solve it. Uh, 14 lakh 6,250 টাকা, and then say it is 25,000 টাকা, 10%, 25,000 টাকা, 10%, I mean 2,50,000 টাকা. Okay, 2,50,000 টাকা plus 14 lakh 6,250 টাকা, I mean 16 lakh 56,250 টাকা. I mean it is the value of the firm. Okay, please, dear students, what is seen here? Here is seen. Then we should bring out the overall cost of capital, KO equal NOI, net operating income divided V, value of the firm. So net operating income 2,50,000 টাকা, value of the firm 16,50,250 টাকা. So (15.09%). Okay, 15.09%. In another way, KO equal KD into D by B plus KE into S by V. So KD 0.10 into D okay, so 2,50,000 টাকা ভাগ 16,50,250 টাকা into 0.1, 0.01509 plus 14,06,250 divided 0.13585. So 0.01509 plus 0.13585. Okay, so 15.09%. Okay, dear students, here we see that if we distinguish this from the first one, we see that overall cost of capital 15.09%, and first one, whenever we have done first one is 14.29%. So overall cost of capital increases to 15.09%, and then value of the firm decreases. First one is 17,50,000 taka, and second one is 16,50,250 taka. So we see that decreases the value of the firm and increases the cost of overall capital, overall cost of capital. So we say that if we reduction the leverage already increasing the overall cost of capital and decreases the value of the firm. Dear students, if we decrease leverage, what is the impact on the value of the firm and cost of capital? Let's see that. If we write down the debt or impact 10 lakh instead of 2,50,000 taka, what will be happen in the value of the firm? So we see that all of the things or all of the elements are okay except debt. So we are write down here 10 lakh out of instead of 2,50,000 taka with 10% interest rate. So what is the change in this form? We see this. Okay. So net operating income is 2,50,000 taka. It's okay. Okay. And then 10 lakh 10% total cost on debt. 10 lakh 10%. Okay. Then it is called 1 lakh. Okay. Then if we subtract this, we found 1,50,000 taka. Okay, good. Then 2 lakh. Here is earning E by KE. Equity capitalization rate is 16%. So 1,50,000 taka. So 1,50,000 taka divided 0.1 is 9,37,500 taka. Okay, good. Then interest 1 lakh 10%, 10 lakh. So here is 19,37,500 taka. Okay. Okay, dear students, value of the firm 19,37,500 taka. Okay, overall cost of capital equal net operating income divided V. So net operating income is 2,50,000 taka and value of the firm is 19,37,500 taka. Okay. (12.90%). Okay. Then in another way, KO equal KD into D by V plus KE into S by V. Okay. Then KD 0.10 into D 10 lakh into V 19 lakh plus 0.16 into so 10 lakh 0.0516 0.0774. So 0.0774 plus 0.0516. Okay, so 12.90%. Okay, dear students, what is seen whenever we increase the leverage 2,50,000 taka or 5 lakh taka to 10 lakh taka? If we increase the leverage in a corporation from 5 lakh to 10 lakh or 2,50,000 taka to 10 lakh, so what is the comparison to this? We see this overall cost of capital decreases 12.90% from 14.29%. So, increasing the equity of the firm or value of the firm, and then if we increase the leverage portion, so here we see that 19,37,500 taka is the value of the firm. So previous portion is 16 lakh something is price of the or value of the firm. Whenever we increase the leverage, so increase the value of the firm is 19,37,500 taka. So here we realize that if we increase the leverage in a corporation, so that we can increase the value of the firm and decrease the overall cost of capital. Okay,